Hello. There's something I need to discuss with you. First of all, thank you so much for 2 subscribers. Whoop, whoop. I just really want to thank you guys so much. I'm really grateful for 2. It doesn't even matter if I had 1, 0. I would just like, thank you so much. I didn't even think that I would get 2 subscribers. I didn't even think I would get 2. Like, I thought I would just be getting none. Like, thank you so much. I'm so happy, and I'm just glad those two people, thank you so much. I love you so much. You two mean the world to me. Even all the others that didn't subscribe mean the world to me. I love everyone. Even if they hate me, love me, like, kind of don't like me, I still love them with all my heart. So yeah, learn to love people, even if they hate you. Don't talk back to them, like, just walk away. Yeah. Thank you. And in honor of 2 subscribers, close your eyes. Close them. Close your eyes. You know I can still see you, right? What are you doing? You know what? If you want to look down, I'll show you something. Alright, I'm show you something. Yeah, you better close your eyes. You can open them now. You can open them. Pikachu! In honor of 2 subscribers, Pikachu. Got it from the Forsaker. It is so cute. I love it so much, and it's just beautiful. Thank you guys for 2 subscribers. You guys really mean the world to me. And I just really want to get to at least 1,500 subscribers. Please subscribe.